Hi students, in this today's session we are going to learn about multiplications. As I already told you, through Abacus we can do any kind of arithmetical calculations. In this verse we have already learned how to do addition and subtraction with 5's complements, 10's complements, mixed complements and even mastering complements also. Okay, now we have entered into the next level of doing problems with multiplication, because in arithmetics multiplications is also a part, right? Today we are going to see some multiplication problems with double digit into single digit, 3 digit into single digit, 4 digit into single digit, and even with double digit into double digit also. Okay, now let's start learning of multiplications. Okay,